Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're bringing you the ultimate guide on creating a V2Ray slow DNS server and setting it up on the AGN Injector VPN app for fast, secure browsing. If you're looking for hidden VPN tricks, be sure to check out our blog for more. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Let's dive right in. To get started, open up your web browser. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit Enter. Look through the search results for the official UDP Custom website. It should be one of the top results. Click on it, as this is the platform where we'll create our V2Ray slow DNS server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, locate the menu button in the top corner. Click on it and a list of options will appear. From this menu, select V2Ray slow DNS server. This is the option we need to create our V2Ray slow DNS server. It will take you to a new page where you can select your server location. Now, choose your preferred server location from the options available. After making your selection, you'll be taken to the account creation page. Here, fill in a username and complete the CAPTCHA verification. Then, click Create Now. Within seconds, your server details will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to copy these details by clicking the Copy button. We'll need this information for setting up the V2Ray server on AGN Injector. Next, let's get the AGN Injector VPN app ready. Go to the Google Play Store, search for AGN Injector, and install it if you haven't already. Once the app is installed, open it. On the home screen, look for the V2Ray option checkbox and check it. Then, click on the hamburger icon in the upper left corner to expand the menu. From the list, select V2Ray Settings. This will open a new page. In the V2Ray Settings page, click on Import Config from Clipboard. This option will automatically pull the server details you copied earlier. After importing, go back to the main screen and tap Start to connect. And that's it! You're now connected to your V2Ray slow DNS server on the AGN Injector app, enjoying a faster and more secure browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.